Donald Trump has confirmed that Qatar Airways has placed an order for 160 Boeing widebody jets, a massive deal valued at around $96 billion. The announcement was made during the president's visit to Qatar as part of his current Middle East tour. Also on hand was Boeing CEO Kelly Ortberg, who joined the presidential delegation. According to Bloomberg, the agreement includes as many as 210 widebody aircraft, with the firm portion covering 130 Boeing 787 Dreamliners and 30 777X jets. The remaining 50 are listed as options that could be a mix of either model. That means Qatar Airways could be taking delivery of up to 210 new long-haul aircraft on top of its existing commitments. Trump revealed the deal during a press conference on Wednesday, saying, "Kelly's telling me from Boeing that it's the largest order of jets in the history of Boeing. That's pretty good." "That's a record, Kelly, and congratulations to Boeing. Get those planes out there, get them out there." Following the news, Boeing shares jumped 3.1%, hitting their highest level in over a year. Boeing released a statement confirming the deal, noting that it would support 400,000 US jobs. Stephanie Pope, president and CEO of Boeing Commercial Airplanes, added, "We are deeply honored that Qatar Airways has placed this record-breaking order with Boeing, one that solidifies their future fleet with our market-leading wide-body airplane family at its center. Our team is looking forward to building 787s and 777s for Qatar Airways into the next decade as they connect more people and businesses around the world with unmatched efficiency and comfort." Qatar Airways called the order a critical next step in its fleet development strategy, emphasizing the importance of keeping its aircraft modern and fuel efficient. The airline says this investment positions it to handle growing demand. Qatar Airways Group Chief Executive Officer, Engineer Bader Mohammed Almir said this marks the largest order in the airline's history. After 2 consecutive years of record-breaking commercial performance, and with this historic Boeing aircraft order, we're not simply chasing scale, we're building strength that will allow us to continue to deliver our unmatched products and customer experiences. We thank our Boeing partners for answering the call and look forward to a future of continued smart growth together. The White House also confirmed the order in a press release, describing it as a landmark order from Qatar Airways. The statement added, "This is Boeing's largest ever wide-body order and largest ever 787 order. This historic agreement will support 154,000 US jobs annually, totaling over 1 million jobs in the United States during the course of production and delivery of this deal. This latest mega order solidifies Boeing's position in Qatar's long-haul fleet. Qatar Airways already flies several Boeing models, although it also maintains a significant Airbus fleet." Bloomberg notes that the airline is still considering a smaller order of Airbus A350s, which may be announced at the Paris Air Show in June. Still, for now, Boeing appears to be Qatar's main supplier for long-range aircraft. Based on Aviation data, the airline's widebody fleet includes Boeing 787s, 777s, and Airbus A350s and A380s. Trump's stop in Qatar is part of his first overseas trip since beginning his second term. He arrived in Saudi Arabia earlier this week and touched down in Doha this morning, where he was welcomed with a traditional camel ceremony. His motorcade, notably, was escorted through the city by red Cybertrucks. The trip has been particularly good for Boeing. The company has been clawing back momentum after being hit by a years-long trade dispute with China that had suspended Boeing deliveries. That ban was lifted just earlier this week. So far during the trip, Trump has announced 2 big aircraft deals. The first came yesterday when Saudi Arabia signed for 30 Boeing 737 MAX jets to be operated by the state-owned leasing company Aviation. Today's announcement further strengthens Boeing's foothold in the region and shows continued US government backing despite recent friction. Trump has previously criticized Boeing for delays in delivering the new Air Force One jets, which are now expected in 2027, well beyond the original timeline. Interestingly, it was revealed this week that Trump is considering accepting a luxurious Boeing 747-8 from the Qatari royal family to serve as an interim Air Force One. What do you think about this gift from Qatar after their flag-carrying airline just places a massive Boeing order? Comment below. Stay with us for more updates, subscribe and follow us on social media to stay in the loop.